honest, I feel very sad for President John Dramani Mahama. I mean, the betrayal of President John Dramani Mahama is monumental.
Yeah, it's true.
There's a gentleman who came to the people of Ghana and said, look, there are problems with the country, and I want to solve the problems in the educational sector, in health sector, and so on. He proclaimed a reset.
I was a former Munamakwaba at Bagana and Sam TV show. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time, videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin, watch their wagging or comment section for them. Say the money down if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President, I major also. Or text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir. Kwesi or baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and many kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Mahama president. Now also the power by MBA so selkebi. Na my kan yi they were John Dramani Mahama the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Mahama ni amade na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch again na mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eh daachinti ne ya amanyo sem nye mprimprint ne amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti daachi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bidi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye hwan ni once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, to
be honest, I feel very sad for President John Dramani Mahama. I mean, the betrayal of President John Dramani Mahama is monumental.
Yeah, it's true.
There's a gentleman who came to the people of Ghana and said, look, there are problems with the country, and I want to solve the problems in the educational sector, in health sector, and so on. He proclaimed a reset agenda. And he appointed people to assist him to realize that objective. And many of the people he appointed to help him to realize that objective, they don't just care. They don't care about reset. They don't care about restructuring the economy. They don't care about anything. All they care about is replacing him. What? Poor Mahama. Poor Mahama. And he's sitting there being held hostage. You know, and he's not been able to crack the whip. And they're dancing around him in circles and making nonsense of all the proclamations he has made. It's unbelievable. Visit the NDC social media platforms and see what is happening there. Who is talking about how to achieve the 24-hour economy? That's not their concern. It's about who is going to replace Mahama. It's so sad, it's unbelievable. So the people he appointed to help him to leave a legacy are saying to us that, oh, don't worry, very soon you'll become a lame duck. That's what they say.
Yeah.
They say, oh, by next year you'll be a lame dog. You have no power. We don't have to respect him. So let's start our campaign.
Yes, that's why I'm a.
That's why I'm a. Happy important, no, some feel you. As any part 50 better, it by feel you.
And so I said, sorry, ma. I'm going for how long?
I'm being for 3 days.
No, 250.
And then the part 250.
I didn't quite slow.
Not necessarily slow. And out of 250, no, I'm gonna say 150. I have pharmacy technicians, something 5, and 100 pharmacists.
Pharmacy technicians and pharmacists, so you them.
Pharmacy technicians, and pharmacists. Pharmacists for eco school for 6 years. I go school for 6 years. I know I sign a housemanship. I find a house job, for 1 year. And son, I was full-fledged pharmacist. Then I find a doctor of pharmacy,
From D,
From D, Aha. And a pharmacy technician, so I go school for 3 years. Do you know, I go school for 3 years, we are also in the service for 1 year. Now, do I be pharmacy technician?
No. Nedumane will form chair pharmacist and kasa.
Entry, my intio.
Obi say unya hwema wasewa. Unsa
Monochrono, Dabi.
O my ni my din teacher for into omoka no. Ebi kioso no. Usa bom e krono. Uti studio ha. Na obi ma send you video bi Sunyani East MP no.
Sunyani
JJ.
Your friend Sunyani JJ.
What was waka? Was susek for a man invitation when you school honti wonko. Je kasa. Botre wa.
Je kasa.
Also into onko. Na susek for no sebe omotimi kro mekuase. From Maria Wusi kasatan time sa no mo kasere timemu for na nka Pedro a minim no
I said Betr aba from abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes aban to me so wo na akofa wa de. What yes here? And I know asema na ka say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from no
anya aba no na de.
Oh unti dem yeken. Me say so they buy be all spoke against say I was say ono mu hia ama ono mu hia but nanka we maye no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes but this nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa maye no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana aban no create an environment but say individual entity ne ma so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no nyen de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflation rate no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
but none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kwesi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?